Hey guys, my name is Parth Gaurav and today I'm going to share a tool with you which is called Udacity Adapter. So in this video, I'm going to explain the whole Udacity Adapter, the introduction of it and what you can do with Udacity Adapter and the whole process. You will know what it is. So basically the Udacity Adapter is basically a tool. You can basically convert a site built on Webflow to a template which can be uploaded to your favorite CMS. So now what you can do with Udacity Adapter. So basically you can create a website on Webflow. You can create any animations that you want, any interaction that you want. You can visually create anything on Webflow and then transfer that site onto other CMS like WordPress, Shopify or Ghost or Netlify CMS. But why would you transfer that site to other CMS? So there are many reasons for that. Honestly, I don't recommend doing that, but sometimes there are reasons. Like first is basically if the client has a static site, it doesn't have any dynamic element to it, so then it makes sense to transfer that site to other CMS, so that you can save up on the hosting cost, because hosting cost on Webflow is expensive as compared to other CMS. Like if we take example of Bluehost hosting, so it's around $118 for 3 years, and Webflow's hosting is I think $194 for 1 year, so it's pretty expensive. So that comes as well. That is another reason that sometimes clients don't have a budget to afford Webflow CMS or Webflow hosting. And other reason is that clients sometimes love WordPress or Shopify much more, so they prefer using that CMS. And the last reason is more functionality. So basically if we take example of Shopify, so it provides whole lot of functionality like customer accounts, and you can integrate several apps to it to expand the functionality of the website. So that's another reason that you want to transfer your site from Webflow to other CMS. So what's the process to it? So first, after building the website on Webflow, we assign several custom attributes to the elements of the website and the pages of the website according to the documentation provided by Udacity Adapter. So after adding all the custom attributes inside Webflow, we export the code from Webflow and take that exported code and upload that onto Udacity Adapter. And then Udacity Adapter, according to what you need, if it's a Shopify or Ghost or WordPress or Netlify, it converts it into that template. And when the whole template is ready, you just upload that whole template onto Shopify or WordPress. In Shopify transfer, you don't need to do anything on Shopify. You just upload the template. And on Bluehost, when you upload, you need to install the Udacity app on the hosting. So if you want to, if you are interested in going in depth and you want to see what the process looks like exactly, you want to have a hands-on experience on the process, so I'm hosting a workshop on this Sunday, that is 25th of October, from 10:30 p.m. to 11:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. So if you're interested in, it's a free workshop. You register on this workshop using a form. The link will be given in the description. So if you found this video informative, please do give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more content regarding Webflow and web design in general. And I'll see you guys on the next one.